Hey guys, welcome back to Tattoo Tarot Goddess. I wanted to get another reading done for you guys. I want to make sure that old energy was gone before I started this reading. Okay, you are being protected right now by Spirit. Spirit has also been moving you away from things in your life that aren't for your highest good. Maybe one more. Okay, you could be having some financial change going on in your life right now, which is going to be really awesome for you. You have been manifesting money like crazy. All I see is money, 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 money in your cards. Like a shit ton of money in your cards right now. Spirit is wanting you to work on your psychic abilities because, you can connect with people in the dream world. You have like a really, like Spirit has gave you telepathy to where you can actually do quite a few things with this gift that Spirit gave you. You also have been fighting your inner demons, and you've actually been coming out of that. So we all know when we fight our inner demons, it could take a while and it could just take a minute. So yeah, you could kind of still be holding on to somebody from your past. Spirit is saying, let that shit go. That shit was toxic as all get out. That Spirit is going to bring you in somebody that deserves your heart. Because you have a pure heart. So let that toxic shit go that you've been hanging on to, because it's not even worth hanging on to. I'm getting, like, this person treated you like shit and basically walked away from you, and it really hurts you, and you've been hanging on to this person ever since. So let that shit go. We all go through pain. We all go through heartache. We all go through this and that. But, you know, at the end of the day, when it's just us behind closed doors, you know, it may say that it's easier than what it is, but honestly, think about this. If that person really wanted you, they would be with you. If that person really wanted to be with you, they would put time and effort into being with you, correct? Correct. Know your worth. You deserve somebody that's going to love you the exact same way that you love them. But Spirit is telling you to be patient right now and don't get in too much ahead of yourself, because Spirit is bringing a lot of finances your way for you at this moment, because you have been manifesting like crazy a shit ton of money. So get ready for it, because whatever you've been manifesting is coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.